Hi everybody, I'm Hạnh. Now I'll show you 12 gestures in that lesson. Let's start. E. Vietnamese. Feeling. R. Always. Small. U. Improve. Vietnamese. Feeling. Always. Small. Improve. E. Period. Money. Laugh. Book. Push. Important. Period. Money. Laugh. Book. Push. Important. Remember. Respect. Accept. Extra. Special. Remember. Special. Accept. Respect. Extra. Happy. Challenge. Fantastic. Handsome. Man. Job. Stop. Possible. Confident. Problem. Early. Together. Bar. Order. Ear. Peer. Poor. Tour. Able. Amazing. Mistake. Crazy. Man. Advice. Fine. Life. Twice. Try. Alone. Coke. Hope. Both. Owl. About. Account. House. Loud. Mouth. Thank you. Enthusiasm. Birthday. The. Mother. Together. Thank you. Enthusiasm. Birthday. Mother. Together. Mom. No. Pain. Nothing. Mom. Home. No. Pain. Nothing. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening to me. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.